certificate of appreciation of the most supportive parent. Next is Renato Riley Feliz. Riley will receive the awards, Career Award, BCP Award, and Road to Fame Award. And also the parent, D. Marie Renato, will receive a certificate of appreciation of the most supportive parent. Next award goes to Parlamento Lafita Peshamay. Lafita will receive the awards, BCP Award, and Most Polite Preschooler. And also the parent, Chanel Valimento, will receive a certificate of the Most Supportive Parent. Next award goes to Samantha Zaina. Zaina will receive the awards, Most Honest Kid Award, and Friendly Neighbor Award. Next is Kero Amber Honey.